Mogue is in the province of Darién, which is the least populated, largest province, probably the one with the rainforest most intact. It's pretty far from the border of Colombia, and you can, I think if you use like Google Maps, Google Earth, and you zoom in close enough, you'll actually see Mogue. It's a village of about 400 people, 400 to 500 people. They're all of the ethnicity Embera. Most people here make a living off of agriculture, fishing, and then the tourism here is, it doesn't happen that often, but it kind of augments their living. They get a little bit of income selling their artisan work and stuff like that. So these cruise ships come in maybe 2 or 3 times a year in the dry season.
Oh, over the top. Never seen anything like it. A true, really a unique, a different experience completely. You'd certainly never see anything like this in the U.S.
The dancing was really cool.
Yeah, and like how they made like really cool stuff.
What a different world. Yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, the people were very friendly. Their artwork and their baskets and carvings were gorgeous, really handcrafted, really nice. It's a great outing. The dances, it was a perfect day.
The suspension system is a little rough.